Can I take the vaccine if I'm allergic to some medicines? If I've just recovered from COVID-19, can I take the vaccine just now? Is it safe to take the vaccine yet? What are the experts saying? So many questions and concerns, right? Here's a list of important things to know before taking the COVID-19 vaccine. India began its first phase of the COVID-19 vaccination drive on January 16th. In the second phase, people above the age of 50 and those with comorbidities will be vaccinated. As more doses of the COVID-19 vaccines are rolled out, here's what we know about the vaccine so far, what are some of the side effects reported, who should not take the vaccine just yet, and what the experts are saying. In India, 2 COVID-19 vaccines have been approved so far, the Serum Institute of India's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Covishield, which is a version of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, was granted approval for restricted emergency use. Covaxin, which is yet to complete phase 3 trials, was given approval for restricted use in emergency situation in public interest as an abundant precaution in clinical trial mode. The term clinical trial mode, however, has not been clearly defined.
As of January 28, 2.3 million people have been vaccinated. Although some vaccine beneficiaries experience some side effects, the union government says that this is a small minority, with only 0.08% reporting an adverse event after immunization and 0.0007% being hospitalized as of January 23.
While some states have reported vaccine hesitancy in frontline workers, experts have maintained that side effects are normal in any vaccine. Some of the commonly reported side effects of both vaccines so far include cough, breathlessness, uneasiness in the chest, vomiting, nausea, dizziness, giddiness, fever, pain at the injection site, abdominal pain, cold, and body ache. As noted, virologist Dr. Jacob John told TNM, anytime you inject into the muscles, it will cause side reactions. If the injection has biologically active substances, then it will create pain in the site, fever, body ache and tiredness. These are natural to any vaccine with biological components and not just to COVID-19 vaccines, since they are mild self-healing reactions. If the reactions or side effects persist or get more severe, visit the nearest hospital soon. With its restricted use, only those of 18 years or above will be given the vaccine. Minors cannot get the vaccine just yet.
Bharat Biotech has issued a fact sheet advising individuals not to take the Covaxin if you have a fever and if you are immunocompromised or are on medications that affect the immune system. Also avoid the vaccine if you are pregnant, planning to conceive or breastfeeding.
Serum Institute has advised people who are allergic to any of the ingredients in its Covishield vaccine to avoid taking the shot. In addition, any person who gets an allergic reaction from the vaccine after the first injection should avoid taking the second shot.
The company said that those with blood disorders and on blood thinners should avoid the vaccine. However, the Indian Council of Medical Research said that such patients can take the vaccines. According to ICMR, those on antiplatelets like aspirin and clopidogrel can take the vaccine. Those on anticoagulants like heparin or newer oral anticoagulants can stop the medicines for a few days prior to the vaccine. Persons who have contracted COVID-19 and those with serious illness can defer the vaccination by 4 to 8 weeks after recovery. According to the Union Health Ministry, those who have active symptoms or have received the coronavirus monoclonal antibodies or plasma therapy can defer the vaccination. Those acutely unwell and hospitalized due to any illness can also defer taking the vaccine.
Remember to also mention these health conditions to your healthcare worker or vaccination provider before taking the vaccine. This is Geetika Mantri for the News Minute.